we wait? And it's interesting because it went back to the scene. Test, 1, 2. Yeah, okay. Yeah, instead of going to my screen recording scene, which was the scene that was originally displayed. It also, yeah, I don't know. It seemed to not have saved the state of stream maps. I mean, good thing I didn't edit it in any way or something. Oh, I should have taken the opportunity to increase my resolution. Because I really, yeah, I don't know, I have it lowered because of Warframe. But I'm obviously not playing Warframe right now. Okay, copy-free music. Play. Boom. Boom, boom. We are back. Okay, let's hope Unity didn't fucking delete my entire project or some shit like that. I wonder how long I was still alive. Because at some point, you know, it must have pee-pee-poofed out of there, huh? That was interesting though, to know, I guess, yeah, we now know Unity will fucking murder your PC if you happen to have a perma loop by accident. It's crazy how fast it killed my PC though. Like it must create so much fucking whatever, you know, traffic. Waste, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit for it to boot up, back up. We could browse some other streamers, huh? Oh, it already booted up. This is a new category. I haven't really tried it before. There's this and there's science and technology, which used to be the one where all the game developer and programmers hung out. And it still is, partly, because probably people don't know about software and game development. Unless maybe he's not doing that. This guy is programmer for sure though. This is a little bit of a bigger category, I don't know. Maybe we'll have to go back to Sense and Technology because this one's too small. Maybe it's good that it is so small. Whatever. Alright, close that. So, what the fuck happened? We cannot launch this game right now. Let's just open it. Okay. Test, by the way. Yeah. So in Generate World, we had this lovely little line in Destroy All Children that somehow destroyed my PC instead. So that's not great. I don't get why that didn't work, but I guess we don't try again, huh? Let's just make it a for loop. Do they... like if I destroy the child with index... Come on man, camera. Focus on my face, man. What do I want to say? If I destroy child at index 0, does child at index 1 become child at index 0? Or is that not the case? I thought it is. Maybe it's not. You know what we can do? For int I equals tile transform dot child count -1. I is more than more equal 0, right? Right, yeah. As long as it's higher or equal to 0 and I++. And I guess you can go into an infinite loop with this one too, huh? Should we do a failsafe? Just for now do a failsafe. Int iteration. Is that the right word? I probably. Equals 0. Iteration plus plus. If iteration is more than, I don't know, 100, fucking return. Oh yeah, and also throw an error message. Log. Bruh. And then return. Okay, just in case before I brick my PC again, you know. And then we just go tile transform dot get child at position I and oh yeah, we destroy that. Wait. Destroy. Oh wait. Object dot destroy. 100 diamonds dot get child at position I. Okay, this will just count from, you know, the last child, the lowest child up to the first child. So we shouldn't have the issue because we set the I value before all this. We set it to child count -1, and then we just count down. Oh fuck! I should probably count down. Yeah, that would be helpful. Okay, yeah, that should work probably. Worst case, we have 100 iterations, and then it should cancel. Rage. It better fucking cancel, dude. Okay, drop a save and click that button. Okay, now we press 2 and replace and remove it, and it should remove this one fucking child. What's it say? Can't destroy transform component of 1. If you want to destroy the game object, please call destroy in the game object instead. Destroying the transform component is not allowed. And they tell me that now? They couldn't have just... Bruh. They couldn't have been just like, yo, by the way, that doesn't work. No. They had to be like, oh yeah, by the way, in runtime we're gonna tell you that you can't actually destroy the transform, you have to destroy the game object. Instead of just saying, yo, destroy only takes fucking game object. Oh, it takes object, okay. Okay. I think, yeah, you can also destroy components. I don't... Why is transform an object? Just don't make an object. That's probably stupid. Okay, now it should work. Boom, boom. And it works. Boom. Oh look, can even watch it draw. No, not really. Okay. And it didn't fucking bruh on me. So I think I can safely remove this. Don't need this anymore. Okay. Oh yeah, another thing I wanna do is in the slot we item data storage. If we set that, then we set the image to be the ID. Okay, but why did I put that in? Oh my gosh, Tyler's such a huge fucking class by now. What's going on here? Let's just do this, just so we know this is actually just the, what do you call that? The yeah, whatever. We should probably just put in a region. Huh? Hashtag region. What do we call that? What do you call that? Again. I forgot. It's not the constructor, it's the... I mean, it's not really a region you call, but you're like, you know, like, what do you call this? That I'm defining it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Hashtag, oops, hashtag and region. Just so we know what the fuck is going on here. What was I about to do? I was about to do something. Right, I want to insert them with the right metadata into the slot. The best way of doing that. There's not really a good way. I think I have to do it separately, which is kind of disgusting. Let's do that later. Fuck it, it's not necessary right now. Okay, oh, we can do this now. So, send signal. Maybe I should just call it power. Yeah, I don't know, send power. Whatever signal. Let's just leave it by that. What it will do in case 2 is... it will change all the wire sprites to powered wire sprites. So before, so get, no wait, tile object dot transform dot get component Oh, right, but if you say get components and children, then, yeah, then it also fetches the component of the parent, because for some reason they thought that made sense. So, you know, of the current object. Okay, so we do have to go like with a for loop again, int I equals 0, I is less than. I still want to have it be on an actual object. I think that makes a lot of stuff uglier, unfortunately. Maybe I just handle a lot of shit in the actual object. I actually, it's fine probably. So tile trans. You know what? You know what? Yeah, it's gonna. I'll do that. Yeah. Just gonna do that. We're just gonna say, yo, there's also. Am I fucking brain dead? Am I fucking brain dead? What? Why did I call it? What? It didn't work earlier. Maybe I mistyped. I thought it was. Oh my gosh, I was so convinced it was a fucking game object, man. I was so convinced. I was so convinced it was a game object, but it's not. It was a transform all along. So where do I use tile object currently? We don't need tile object or transform. We don't need tile object. Yeah, we don't need this entire thing. You can just say tile object. Or the same thing here. Boom. Boom. Okay, we fixed that. Tile object dot child count I plus plus. Tile object dot get child at position I dot get component sprite renderer dot sprite equals world settings dot textures at position 5. So that means that if the tile is powered, then it will change to 0. Yeah. Oh, it should also probably update its own sprite. So tile object. Oh, wait. Just sprite. It's just sprite dot. No, sprite equals world settings. Textures at position tile data dot powered ID. Easy. I handled that very cleanly, and the children are handled very poorly. Probably should just fix that, huh? Whatever. Okay. So let's see if we can maybe in build mode, if we right click, yeah, let's just test that real quick.
Well, there's all sorts of creatures.
How do I do that even? Why do I do this so stupidly? Oh, right, because of that.
With way too many arms. There's Mr. Pig and Mr. Cow. They're always in good moods. But that's cause they don't know they'll soon be sliced up into food. Mr. Bear, what's that over there?
You know what? I should make that a function. So private vector 2 convert cursor position to tile position. And all it does is this thing. But that way I can just change it in one location and don't have to do, yeah, a lot of different stuff, which sucks. And I'm probably gonna need it in the future again. So, oh, it should probably... Where the fuck is cursor position? The fuck did I do that? Okay, I see. So we can't do that. But about that, vector 2 plus. No wait, I don't even have to do that. I just realized. Hello, bro. Hey, what's up? How are you doing? Hungry words. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, this thing. Obviously, yeah, I can just... I'm so... yeah, whatever. Convert, blah blah blah. And we just gonna copy that line real quick and then boom, and boom. Okay. So what was I about to do here? World settings dot world position. Oh yeah, just cast into int, so the program knows it is int, even though it already is. I am fine. Very cool. Nice. If you want, I can show you what I'm working on in just a second. Tile. Oops. I'm studying at the university for 1 year as a special software developer. Nice. What does special software developer mean? Why are you special? From Russia. Nice. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I'm about to start start studying at a university. Starting next month, although I have to attend to some randomized courses coming up on the 9th. Sorry if my English is weird, I'll try my best. Yeah, no problem, I get that. I'm not a native speaker either. What was it doing? First of all, let's do that. Then, yeah, what the fuck am I doing? Okay, dot powered equals true. Okay, no, wait, dot send signal. Okay. What? Oh, yeah, I'm brain up here. Okay, I can show you in just a second what I am working on. I still need to do the powered return, also powered equals true now. Okay, there it is. So I am working on kind of a little bit of a logic game, 2D, where you can place tiles, you know, and yeah, it's in a pretty early state. You will basically have... Oh, my face cam position got reset. Wait a second. Alright, now you can see everything. Here on the left you can see my inventory. I can place different blocks. The blank one, the blank tile, I guess, has no purpose so far. And then you can place a wire block. It currently points in one direction, but yeah, it doesn't matter for now. And the point is, yeah, this is a battery block basically. It will send a signal if powered. And you will be able to kind of create a circuit or something, whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'm gonna add a lot more components, but for now these are the ones that exist. And currently I'm testing out if I can actually make this powered. I can. That's pretty good. I can't unpower it though. Oh, that's really cool. Cool, nice, thank you. Yeah, it's kind of the first time I'm testing, I guess, the waters. You know how that stuff works. For example, I started out with the idea I could just make one big texture, one sprite basically, and just draw on it. That way I would only have one object on the scene, which would be very good for rendering, you know. But turns out it's very bad to draw on a texture, because you have to like extract the texture, then draw on it, and then create the texture new and replace it, and that's very heavy on performance. So I scrapped that, because especially the bigger the texture, the worse it was. And I went back to basically each tile is one game object, but I made it smart basically by using a texture atlas, which basically, I don't know, how do I explain it? That basically all the textures for each tile is in one texture. All these tile textures is in one texture, so it only requires one draw call. I don't know how it actually works, but whatever. Can you give me some tips if I want to become a web developer? What I have to learn? I don't know, honestly. I mean, you have to learn HTML5 probably, and JavaScript. I'm not a web developer. I don't really care about web developing that much. I'm more of a game developer. But yeah, web developing, I think a lot of people do that a lot. But HTML5 and JavaScript is definitely something you want to probably learn. And then there's probably a lot of other stuff that you can also learn. Niche things and stuff to, yeah, I guess learn more. But I don't know, is there anything else? You probably want to be able to do graphic design, maybe, I don't know. Actually, now that I think about it, maybe that's the job of the graphic designer then. Yeah, I don't know, but definitely HTML5, JavaScript, those are the big ones. Oh, and CSS. Although, to be fair, I'm not sure if that's even used still. That was like when I did like a shitty website, I used CSS and HTML. Yeah. Okay, we need another function with that is remove signal. Maybe. Boom, boom. If powered, return. So if powered is not true, then we return. Otherwise, powered is false. So not true. And we also go back into a switch case where we check the tile data .id and so good. And for case 0, we again do nothing. For case 1, we again do nothing. So what I'm doing here is basically I'm checking the tile data ID, so what the tile actually is. And then, for example, ID 0 is an empty tile. ID 1 is a blank tile. ID 2 is a wire tile. And in the case where a signal is sent to the wire tile, I want the wire tile to turn on, you know, be powered. So that's why it turns yellow, because it's powered. And I want to do, well, revert that, I guess. Hey, thanks for the follow. Hungry Words, thanks, I appreciate it. And I want to revert that if I remove the signal, of course. So basically I just do the same thing as here. Should probably add a function to just change the sprite of all children or something. And I want to change the texture to 4. And then I want to... I'm just gonna save the tile data real quick. Tile data, current. Wait. Nah, tile. Tile, I wanna have the tile. Tile, current tile. Equals, and then we just yoink that. We slap that on here. Bam. And we say current tile. Oh wait, but if, yeah, okay, if current tile is powered, fuck, I'm stupid, dot powered is true, then we wanna remove, oh, keep forgetting everything, dude. Now, what the fuck is custom render texture? Current tile, man. Dot remove signal, and else we wanna fucking add the signal. We also don't need all this shit. Okay, done it, did it. So if I place this and I right click it, it turns on, and I right click it again and it turns off. Isn't that great? And I still haven't implemented that for that thing. For the battery. Should have probably made tile its own class, huh? At this point. I still have it in here, man. It's getting a little stupid. Let's do that real quick. Tile. That's gonna be a big boy conflict that we have to fix real quick. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Why is it so... Oh, that works. We cut that out. Go to tile. We slap that in. Okay, I hope it doesn't mind that I have this on top. No, it doesn't mind. They're very good. Alright. Any error? No. No errors. Very good. I think that should be alright then, huh? There shouldn't be an issue here. Hopefully. Wait, what was the last thing I changed? Alright, I want to do... to add a case 3. Wait, case 6, actually. Because 6 is the ID for power cell. Or battery. What the fuck is case 3? What's a... Oh my gosh. I have to check again. Oh yeah, 3 is obviously the powered state. So we go here. So we can see it here. For the empty tile, ID is 0, powered ID is 0. For the blank... Why do I... Would I... Oh, what? Just call it blank. And remove the block. No one wants the block. Alright. For the blank tile, it's 1 and the powered ID is 1 because it can't power. For the wire, it's 2 and the powered ID is 3. Then we have the wires, which is why the battery is a 6, ID 6. Okay, that makes sense. So ID is 6. Dude, does it still change the texture if I change the ID? Probably not, right? I hope not. Oh no, obviously. Yeah, no, I'm stupid. Never mind. No, stupid. Okay, I handled that already. I basically want to do this, same thing to this, but yeah, I can literally just take this and put it here. I don't, because yeah, I handle a powered ID for every single tile, so it doesn't matter that I change it for every single tile no matter what. And I guess I don't even need a switch case, huh? I don't even need a switch case. At least not yet. Okay, I'm gonna do it without a switch case for now. Because if I can actually leave out the entire switch case, that would be great. Alright, boom. Pa. I didn't do that for all of them. I just realized. I just did that for send signal, but not remove signal. So remove signal will obviously... I just copied... What? Oh. Yeah, that's on me. Stupid. My stupid ass. Okay. Well, I actually had an error here because even when I removed the signal, I would just call the powered ID because I just copy pasted that shit. That is not correct. This should just call the ID again because it should revert it back to the default state of the powered state. And we also want to have this. I didn't even add a default case for this one. That was dangerous. Oh, I don't need that. Oh. Does that function? It should. Sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, nothing happens. That's good. No error messages. Okay. We got this and we got this. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like I lagged for a moment there. Nice, look at that. I click it and it turns on. Isn't that fucking awesome? Now obviously I think the... Yeah, whatever. Okay. That's cool. I don't know. I like that it looks so good. I didn't expect it to look that good. I mean, you know, that good is like, it's not like crazy good, but like, you know, for my drawing skills, that's pretty decent. Oh, I haven't showed that yet. So if I change here the metadata, for example, I remove the last two ones and replace them with zeros. If I place a battery, then we only have 2 directions that it will do stuff. in here. Okay. So with the power that, only those 2 slots turn on. Yeah. So let's try, for example, we changed for the wire, we changed the last 0 to a 1. That means we have a straight wire. Nice. Okay, that should work good. Dang, I didn't expect that to work that well. It's pretty cool. Alright, anything else I want to do? Anything else? I guess we have everything handled now. That's crazy. Basically I have to start setting up the logic system, huh? And I guess adding tires. I should probably start adding tires so I don't run into issues later, huh? Okay, let's switch to drawing a little bit. I mean, probably not that long. Those are not gonna be insane textures.
Goodbye, my only friend. Oh, did you think I meant you? That would be funny if it weren't so sad. Well, you have been replaced. I don't need anyone now. When I delete you, maybe I'll stop feeling so bad. Go make some new designs.
Alright, so this is my texture atlas, where I have all my textures, and I just cut them out.
You're someone else's problem. I only want you gone.
Oh, I'm stupid, wait. I shouldn't open it like that. I have where is it? I believe it's in Unity Project, Skin Projects, Texture Atlas. Alright, there it is, because here I actually have thing. I have the project. Let's call this one tile. Let's just steal from Minecraft and call it repeater. I don't care. Okay. I just realized. Is that just an optical illusion? Or are these different color? I guess I can check looking here. Up. Up. Okay, it's just an optical illusion. Same with this thing. That is a C2, C2, C2. And that is a C2, C2, C2. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. Alright, so for this one, the idea would be to have like something in the center. Is this the center? Let's count. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 6. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's the center. And then yeah, maybe oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. How do I draw a repeater? It needs to make some kind of sense. Maybe it has like a number that shows the delay. The issue with that, I think that's fine. Yeah, I don't know. The issue, I don't know. Yeah, it should be fine actually. The more I think about it. But do I care? I think I'm not gonna give it a display for now. But then still, how do I do that? I sound like this. That's like closed off. And then like this and bam, 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 and bam, and bam. Oh yeah, the center, I don't know. Whoop. Wait, does it turn on? Does the repeater turn on? It does, right? So we just have this. Whatever. Yeah, then we copy that, move it over, new, bam, bam, powered, bam, and we swap that, and we save that, and we export that, and we don't save the background, and then where the fuck did I just export it to? Oh, into GIMP projects. That's not what I wanted to do. I meant to export onto this. Yeah, okay. Replace. Boom, boom. We don't need it in here. You can go. So now we go to textures. God damn it. Loading symbol. I don't even need you. What are you doing here? Why did I even draw you? Disgusting. It's kind of annoying that I have to do it again each time. But yeah, it's fine probably. Apply. Boom. We have two new motherfucking textures. We add these motherfuckers. Okay, we don't need it right now. Into this motherfucker. Boom and boom. And we add a new member, which is gonna be the repeater, which has 8 and 9 as a ID and powered ID. And yeah, the rest is pretty much gonna be, yeah, it's gonna work the way a wire works. Insects. Doesn't matter. Okay, but we say like 0, 1. And that's why we have. That's why the metadata has to be one longer, huh? I mean, actually, it can just be longer for like the specific ones that need it longer. The way I'm doing it should make that work. Okay, 0, and then I guess the last one is the delay, huh? I'm gonna think about that later. That should already work. That should already be enough for it to work. So now I have a repeater, which is this thing. I just place it, and it works, and I can just turn it on, and it works. What doesn't work is that children are being placed, but that's just on me. That's just on me. Where's all that shit that I got rid of? That's the switch cases. Yeah, okay, I can just redo them if I need them. Okay, we just follow the same idea here. Go to 8. Go to set wires. And we return. Oh, we don't even need to return. I'm stupid. And no, not go tot. Alright, so that should also work for that boy now. Satisfaction. So we go here. Looks a little weird, but I guess it looks different. That's the important thing. We can turn it on and off. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop. Let's remove these. Nice, look. We already had made a thing. Yep. A circuit. A connection. Incredible. Yeah, I'll have to figure out a way to make that pretty. You know, the handling of which sides should be activated and which should not be activated. I mean, I guess if you, yeah, I don't know. If you use like, you know, like you wanna build a big circuit, it's useful if you can just edit it before placing it. But if it's like a small circuit, that might be annoying. You just wanna like really quick place it and then edit it while it's already placed down. But yeah, I don't know. That makes me notice something. So currently, if I already have placed a tile and I click on it with another tile, nothing happens. Yeah, I did that on purpose because it would be a little weird maybe, or like cause you to accidentally remove something, so you have to remove it and replace it. But I could make it so that it's, if it's, yeah, I think I make that. I mean, like that. Yeah, okay. I just do that. So if you click with on a tile while having the same tile selected, but the metadata is different, then we just replace them. Isn't that smart? Okay, and that works in build, of course. Because in build we check, yo, is it 0? Huh. Okay, or how the fuck did I fuck that up? Or so either the ID is 0, so it's an empty tile when I'm trying to place it. Yeah, I don't know why did I do that? I don't even need these anymore. Or the alternative is that, why did I do it that way? I should also just save the tile data. Huh? Oh, tile data. Current tile. No, it should be a tile, sorry. It should be a tile current tile. Which is this. This. Boom. 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 And then we just boom. Boom. I even did it here. I already did the current tile thing. Why the fuck did I not apply to everything? Current tile. Same here. It's just current tile. Same here. Current tile. Oh. Oh wait, is PogChamps going right now? I might want to watch that. Let me check real quick. PogChamps is going. No. Watch party? No. Yeah, whatever. I might end stream and I'll watch it soon. I guess I don't really care about the match right now. Okay. What was I doing? I was doing that. Good. Good. Okay, so I was doing this. So if the metadata of, if you click on it in the, okay, so if current tile.tiledata.id equals active slot.item .id and current tile.tiledata. Oh. No, it's all good. It's all good. No, wait. And current tile.metadata does not equal active slot.item data.metadata. Okay. Then we replace it. Basically. Which is funny because basically the tile data is already the same as the tile data, like the actual same reference as the tile data we are replacing it with. But like as long as shit works the way I think it does, it should still be basically, you know, replaced and trigger the set command, which will apply the metadata actually. So yeah, that's the idea. That should work. The thing is currently during runtime I don't really have an option to change that unless I do it manually. Okay, let's try it manually then. So for example, I place a battery and I'm like, yo, actually batteries should be like so different, man. Like more like a 0101, you know? And then we place another battery and oh, look at that, it's different. And we are like, yo, we want that battery to also be different, and we just click on it and it breaks. Isn't that great? Why does it break? Also, I keep looking there when I want to look at you because for some reason my brain's like, oh, I need to look at my face. I don't need to look at my face. I need to look at you. Should I just... Nah, never mind. Or should I? Wait. Okay, why does it break? So the thing is, it overlapped one of the ones, which is okay. Okay. It overlapped one of the ones. If we set a new tile data, then we destroy all children, and then we set the new metadata. Okay. So, why the fuck did it somehow block? Wait. I'm fucking stupid. We don't need to do that at all. Right? We don't need to destroy all children. At all. Let's try that again. Because I already handled that myself and I forgot about it. So we have that. We are like, yo, actually batteries are more like a 0101 kind of thing. Which will create this, and we replace it. I already handled that. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, there's no... Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. Actually, should find these motherfuckers. Hey, they are next to each other. Who would have thought? Yeah, perfect. Look at them. Look at them go. Look at them. And I can turn them on. Ooh. Off. That's so cool, actually, man. That's probably one of the... like, pretty decent thing I've created so far. Wait, what was that? No, I thought I... Okay, never mind. All good. All good. I'm so stupid. I don't need to destroy all children. I can literally just change the metadata to 000. And then it also destroys all children. At least the ones I want to destroy. I guess I need it if I have a special tile that has more than the wired children, you know? Oh. Right. Wait. All I have to do is have these motherfuckers be a metadata of 0 across the board, right? Or like at least the empty one. Because then if I place like this and I remove it, because it doesn't apply it correctly. So what we do is we just fuck switch cases, man. Who needs that shit? Just do it like that, you know? We can do switch cases later. Because that way, no matter what we place, we aren't gonna place fucking... Yeah, easy. I'm so stupid, man. I handle shit. I program something that already handles everything and then I just forget. I just forgot. Man. Now the question is, we still have to figure out how the fuck the metadata even places these fucking wires, man. So battery, for example, has a 1 in the first position. Okay, yeah, it just rotates to the left, huh? So 1010 would be like this, and a 0101 is like this. And yeah, that's pretty easy actually. Just rotates to the left. So for example, if I wanna create a little loop here with these aren't even wires, I just realized. These are the repeaters. Oopsie. So let's say I wanna create like a little loop, you know. I need a 1010 for wires. 1010. Boom, boom. And then I need a 1001. 1001. Boom. Yeah, not for these. For these I need, yeah, these all need something different. So this needs to be a just a 0011. This needs to be a 0110. 0110. Dang, I love how I created kind of a coding system here with the metadata. Boom, boom. And now I can power them. No. For example, the idea is if that's all repeaters, then they could have a delay in sending that, and that's pretty cool. I still have to have like a logic loop, you know, because I don't really want to have that in. I mean, I guess maybe a fixed update 20 times per second would be a good loop to do that in. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, anyways, it's pretty cool that works. Let's add another tile. That is a... Oh yeah, the repeater doesn't even repeat, like delay yet. Actually, nothing works. So we want a background. Where's the background here? You're a new one. We call you tile light. Oh, doing the things. Lamp is good. And we duplicate that, move it over, and call it a tile lamp power. Bam. And then we just boom. 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 It's just a lamp. I feel like the lamp maybe doesn't really have like logic to be here. I don't know. Maybe I'll add some, yeah, whatever. Save that, export that. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, save that. Don't need it right now. Add 2 new sprites to the texture list. Add a new one that is called a lamp and uses 10 and 11 and has wires. I guess it has wires, yeah. It can have wires, just like I don't know, I guess everything else, you know. And then we play again and we will see that bam, we have now a lamp that we can access. Look at that. It connects in every direction and it turns on. Isn't that great? And it allows you to make a screen, maybe. It will work like a normal wire then. And then, yeah, if you just have it work as a normal wire, you can just have it be a lamp. And now we made a screen. that we have to turn on manually because I don't have a logic system to do that for me in place so far, but yeah. Nice! That's cool. I like how simple I made that for myself. That's crazy. Okay, now I do have to have differences. You know, for example, if I power a repeater, then it should do something else. It should power with a delay. That delay has to be set, I guess, in the metadata. Huh? So, for example, the repeater has a metadata that is longer. I'm not sure if I want to have different length metadata. Maybe that's not bad. I don't know. Probably isn't bad. Because just adding a 0 to every tile that doesn't actually use it kind of doesn't make sense. But then again, maybe it's confusing at some point. Whatever. I can change it anytime. Okay, so the repeater's metadata is what's the last thing? The delay. The delay can at max be 9. So let's say the delay is 9 per repeater. And then in tile, for send signal, we will have to check if it's a repeater or not. You know what, let's just do a case. So switch, and all the ones that are not default will have to be caught, you know. Tile data.id. We have our default case, which just breaks. And then we have our case where it's a repeater, which is... which number is that? The repeater is the 8. In case 8... we have to delay it. How do we fucking do that? That's a weird one, actually. How do I fucking delay it, man? So I'm thinking about like something like the fixed update would probably be the loop for these. Okay, I guess we have to handle that in the logic engine, and what the what the repeater does is maybe send itself to the logic engine with its delay to tell the logic engine it just got powered, and then the logic engine handles the delay and will call the repeater, you know, power the repeater manually, I guess, once yeah, shit happens, you know. Maybe we add an actually a public void power tile. Maybe for boolean bool state. So if state is true, oh, what the fuck did I do there? If state is true, we just do all. Why do they have this shit? That doesn't even make sense. We just take all that. Take all that, actually. Slap in there. I guess I can just say like power equals state. Bam. We don't even need that. Actually, you know what? Why don't we make it smart? We move it into the powered thing here. That way we only have to change powered and it changes everything. So let's see. Powered. Okay, so we need to duplicate you storage, which is a private. And then you get us get, which will just return powered. Oh, come on, powered storage, and a set, which will do a lot fucking more. What will it do? Maybe I'll put that on the bottom, huh? Because this shit's about to get wild. I'm telling ya. Okay, this shit. Wait, actually. This shit. If value is true, why do you have a problem then? Do I have misplaced? How the fuck do you access? Okay, all fix. So if it's true, then that. Else. So we don't need that anymore. Port state port equals true. So this is if it's false. If it's not powered. Okay, done. Done that. That should handle that. Actually, we do need this here though. 2. And yeah, now we have to send that shit over. Okay, whatever. Dude, today I've gotten free gifted subs. Gifted to me. Wait, I fucked that up. I meant to click that. Okay. Oh shit, I should end and eat something and, I don't know, I guess relax with a little bit of chess. Dang, this is actually getting somewhere. That's sick. Okay, so what send signal has to do is send a power, yeah, I guess power void power edge, send signal shouldn't have called that send signal, huh? Doesn't make a lot of sense. To adjacent tiles. I hope I spelled that correctly. Let's check real quick. I don't actually have the browser here. Now we have adjacent. Adjacent. Next to or cool. Okay, I spelled it correctly. Nice. Receive signal, let's call that receive signal. And remove the signal, let's go, yeah. So we should go back to build mode and record that to receive signal. Okay, back to tile. Send signal to adjacent tiles. Is something it should do once it's powered. But we have to check which, you know, which tiles it actually connects to. Why is I feel like my face comes slightly offset in the frame. Boom. That's better. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so according to the metadata, we will need to check for each side if it sends a signal. And how do we do that in a smart way? I'm sure we can do something similar to this, to the way we apply metadata. The loop, wait, yeah, for loop. So for int I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus, Okay, so for reference, we have tile A here. This is our main tile. I'm just gonna make that red, whatever. This is our current tile. And then we have all the adjacent tiles, which is this, 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 and this one. So this tile gets powered and it will try and send a signal to all the adjacent tiles, but only if it is actually connected to them. For example, I don't know, this one is actually like this. I guess it also has to check if... Yeah, it also has to check if the signal came from this direction or something. Because it shouldn't power into the direction the signal came from. Huh? Maybe I'll handle that later. That shouldn't be too hard. And we have a... you know... So this direction is the... slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 and slot 4 of the metadata. You know, so 0, 0, 0, 0, that's the metadata. Those are the different slots. And that's all the information we have. For example, we have in this case we have 0, 1, 0, 1. Because the first slot is 0, no wire. The second slot has a wire. The third slot has no wire. The fourth slot has a wire. So no wire, wire, no wire, wire. Okay. Now how do we just by reading this number, how do we know which way to power the fastest? Because like we could do like a switch case, you know? But that's lame. And cringe. Oh yeah, maybe I should talk about how we actually get these motherfuckers. So we have a matrix of all the tiles in the world. And we can just, yeah, put in the coordinates. So we know the... Wait, do we know the coordinates of the current tile? I think we don't even know these. Whoa. I guess it's just the coordinates of the tile itself, if I think about it. The actual straight up coordinates. I guess that works. Yeah, whatever. We'll see. Okay. Oh shit. And I also have to check if... Oh man. I also have to check if the adjacent tile is also has a wire leading into it, you know? Into the same side. Okay, maybe I do just a switch case. Come on, it's four cases. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's 4 cases. Let's just do a switch case. Alright. Switch. Wait. This is not a switch case. This is 4 if statements. Yikes. It's kind of French. Wait, what? Wait, then... What? I can just do a fucking for loop, man. Oh. Oh, because I don't know the position. Right. That's why I need 4 fucking if statements. That's so fucking stupid. And that's what I was trying to figure out. How do I by just having the, you know, the position and maybe what the position says, I can actually do that pretty easily. I just realized. Yeah. I'll just have a little bit of a, a bit of a private vector 2 index to offset int index, and it, just have a little bit of a switch statement here that I probably should make functional. What the fuck was that? I think I pressed like Windows button or something instead of Control. Case 0. Case 1. Case 2. Case 3. Default. Alright, so what is this offset that I'm talking about? For 0. So the offset for 0 is of course y plus 1. Why do I make it an offset? Just index to adjacent tile. You know what? Yeah. Get adjacent tile. Easy as that. Okay, return world settings dot world add position. It's not a vector, whatever. Add position. Tile object dot position. Dot x, which we also have to cast into an integer, which is annoying. And tile object dot position dot y. We also have to cast into an integer, which is annoying. All right, let's just, what do we return here? A tile. Let's just return a tile here. Okay. All fucking good. But now we have to add the offset, of course, which in this case is y plus 1. Alright, now we copy and paste that shit. Case 1 is to the left, so we no longer change the y value, but only remove an x. Case 2 is down. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. So we just say -1. For this one, just say +1. Alright, easy as that. This one, yeah, I don't know, fucking just return yourself. That shouldn't happen. Ever. But in case it does, okay, I don't know. Actually, can we create a dead loop? A def loop with that? Probably shouldn't do that, huh? Probably shouldn't do that. I also just realized that power here. I should check when I set the powered value that powered does not equal. I totally forgot to even set powered. Yeah, whatever. That does not equal value. So only power it if powered is wrong, is untrue. Otherwise, if it's... Yeah, otherwise enough. Wait. Okay, yeah, we have to have an else if here. The value is wrong and power is true, then we do stuff. In all other cases, we don't want to do stuff, just in case. I don't know. That's just something I thought of just now. Yeah, we don't want to... Okay, I guess that's fine, actually. We should immediately break, because we will try to power... to send a signal to ourselves. Fuck. Yeah, if we send a signal to ourselves and we are already powered, then it's just... nothing's gonna happen. Okay, that should be fine. Alright, all good. Okay, now we can get adjacent tiles, depending on our index. And now we have to send a signal to each of these tiles. So get adjacent tile with index dot receive signal. Okay, and the public void remove. Okay, wait. Just copy that. Too lazy to write. Remove signal from from adjacent tiles. And it's the same thing, just the other way around. Move signal. All right. So now, when it's powered, I still forgot to actually set the fucking value, which we should probably do. Powered storage equals then. All right. If we are getting powered, because we are empowered, then we activate ourselves and then we send signal to adjacent tiles. And the other way around, we remove signal from adjacent tiles. Which will hopefully... Oh, currently it will create... Oh, right. I need to pay attention that I don't send it back to the same thing it came from. Oh, and I need to also check if they even have... I didn't even do shit there. Bro, what the fuck did I do there? I just sent a signal to every single fucking site. I didn't check anything, man. Okay, so... yeah, I should just do... What do I do? I'm thinking about if I wanna save get adjacent tile or if it doesn't matter because it literally just immediately calls it from the switch case, which is probably pretty fast anyway, so I don't have to save it in between. It's probably fine. Ah, crack. Me back, cracked. Because, okay, so what I have to do now is if... Okay, honestly, it's just prettier to save it in between, honestly. Tile equals. We don't want that. Okay. Now, what do we want to do with that? Again, we want to check first of all, we want to check if we even look into that direction. So you will have to do this shit here. Boom. Oh wait, maybe I should... If... Boom. Really... What the fuck did I press again, man? How does that happen? Okay. Sorry for the stalling right now. Yeah, only if the metadata at the position index equals 1. Only in that case we will do shit. What do we do? Oh, and I guess we do get that, huh? Adjacent tile dot bam. Oh. Okay, here we have to actually convert this index into the opposite index. So like, if we have index 2, it's going to be index 4 on the other side. If we have index 1, it's going to be index 3. For the other tile. You know, like yeah, whatever. I don't know, yeah. Like this wire here is index 4 for the current tile, the red tile. But for this tile, the left wire is obviously index 2. Okay. How do I do that? Actually, +2. And we flip around. How do I convert that in a smart way? Yo. I guess I have to make a function for that. Can I do that? Can I somehow do that? I don't think I can. I think I actually have to flip it, huh? Okay. Oh well, dang, I don't know, man. I don't know. I actually don't know. This is... I could do it, but it would be very ugly, you know? I just don't really see a way to make it prettier, to do it prettier. So, okay, I have to take a break and pee real quick. Be right back. Yeah, I don't know. Have fun. Wait, did I not mute it? I better not had it muted like the entire time somehow. Now I'm scared. I'm pretty sure I pressed the button. I better not have had it muted like for a fucking eternity. No, I don't think so, right? Okay, wait. Where is it? Give me a vote real quick. Let's pause the music real quick. Just before I left, maybe. Oh, I already left there. Okay. I think. No, I was not muted. I don't know. I didn't hit the button properly. All right. Oh yeah, I skipped the song. Okay. We all got. Well, unfortunately, you had to. I don't know. I guess hear my toilet flushing. That's why I usually mute, so you don't get bothered by that. But it do be like that sometimes. Now, we still have this problem, where we have that, you know. What if we have that? So for example, okay, for free it's the one. That's hard. Oops. Oh, okay, I think I know something. Okay, if we are smaller than 2.5, we add 2. If we are bigger than 2.5, we remove 2. Okay, that's the prettiest I can do it. That's yeah, I don't know. It's still not pretty, but Oh well, what you gonna do? I guess let's make a small function for that. Because I don't wanna... Yeah, I don't know. Is that still pretty? I guess it's still pretty a second domain. I don't know. I don't know. Alright. We just plug that in here. Private, an old private integer get opposite index int index if index is less than 2.5 I hope that works. Can you compare an index to a float? I mean, we'll see. Wait, what the fuck am I programming again? Oh yeah, that thing. Then return index plus 2, else return. I guess I can also just to be sure, less than 3. Less than 3 is only 2 and 1. Oh wait, I have 0. That's my fault for saying it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. Man, man, I'm so stupid. Yeah, let's real quick just so I don't get confused again, because I kind of fucked that up. I'm not sure if it's gonna matter that much, but we'll see. Right. So if 0, 1, come on, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, same rule. If it's smaller than 2, we add 2. Otherwise, we remove 2. Index minus 2. All right. Get opposite index of I. So, okay, to recap what the fuck we are just doing. We are sending a signal to adjacent tiles. So we are looping for through our 4 sites, which all have the index 0, 1, 2, and 3. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, just checking if I haven't done it wrong in the past or something, but no, seems alright. Wait. I actually have to test something. I hope that I don't know in what state my code is right now, and if I can even launch this game. But we'll see. Okay, seems good. I just wanna know. Okay, this is in position 0. Okay, okay, all good, all good, all good, all good. All good. So this one is this one. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to check if the position of the tiles is actually the same as the position of, you know, your mom. Yep. Sorry for the fucking stupid explanation. Okay, I wanted to check if the position of the tile's object is actually the position in the matrix that I've created. And yeah, that's the case. So the 0, 0, 0 in the matrix is actually an object at position 0, 0, 0 in the world. Well, actually it's just 0, 0. The Z is always 0. Because it's 2D. So it's only 2 zeros, the X and Y, yeah, whatever. Okay, what the fuck am I doing again? Yeah, okay, so I'm sending a signal to adjacent tiles. So why did I get a notification on my phone? Okay, it's all good. So I want to finish this, I think, in an end stream. My brain is fucking mashed potato, I'm sorry. So only if the only if we have a metadata of a wire pointing, you know, into the direction of the adjacent tile and the adjacent tile points back, only then we can actually send a signal to it. So in that case, adjacent tile dot receive signal. Easy as that. Okay, that's it. That's all. That's it.
We got a #1 victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town.
And then we have to do the same fucking thing. Boom. Oh, and we still have to check if we come from that direction. Right. Because if the signal originates from that direction that we have gotten, then we cannot. Huh. That's a hard one. Right, is it?
I found nothing on this safari.
Actually,
I checked the upstairs of that house, but not the
it's not.
underneath yet.
It doesn't matter.
There's a chest that's just
Because
down
I
there.
intentionally made it so that if something is powered and it gets powered,
I've got V-Bucks
then
that
nothing
I'll
happens.
spend.
So if I have one object and powers the next object, and that object powers it back, then nothing happens. Easy. Also, I keep fucking looking at my fucking own picture. I need to look at that camera. I'm sorry. So easy, yeah, that shit works. Cool. Alright. Ship it. Bam. How the fuck did that mess up the fucking thing again? Oh, it's missing a bracket. In the bracket. Remove. Signal. That's. Yeah, okay. So now we have that. We still don't have logic in this bitch, but it's probably okay. Probably okay. Just gonna say break here too, very quick. Yep. I know it's useless, but okay. I'm starting to lose navigation. I don't know. I don't know what's happening in my code anymore. Too much, at least. I don't know. I mean, mostly I do know, but it's starting to get a little bit chaotic, confusing. But I think I still have kind of a logical line, you know. So yeah, we basically have a recursive function now, which will hopefully not break my PC. Okay, what the fuck was I doing here again? Oh yeah, I wanted to check if the current tile is actually even... Yeah, okay, wait. Okay, yeah, okay, I know it. So if current tile.id, no, tile data.id equals, I believe it was 6 for the battery, 6. Then we do all this shit. Otherwise, we ain't doing shit. Also, we don't wanna do that shit. We just wanna say powered equals true. True. Never mind. Wait, what? Never mind. I wanna send a signal. I'm stupid. Yeah, it's all good. Send signal. Dot send signal to adjacent tiles. How the fuck did I even make that? Oh, receive signal. Why did I even make that public? I don't think I need that public, right? Send signal to adjacent doesn't need to be public, so let's make it private. Same here. Private. But I think it's getting a bit confusing otherwise. Oh wait, yeah, okay, that should work. Oh, if the current tile is powered, we want to remove the signal. Okay. Everyone pray to RNGesus that this is not gonna break my PC. Let's also say battery, sure you have like a 0100 and wire you have a 010. Yeah, let's go. And you know what? Yeah, the lamp is also there. Okay. So we place a battery, which we remove. We place a battery, and we activate it, and it doesn't freeze, and it doesn't freeze, and we deactivate it. Okay. Okay. Now the thing is, if it's powered, and we do that, it doesn't power it. Yeah. But also nothing happens if it's already unpowered. Now, moment of truth. Isn't that sick? Oh. Oh. What happens there? Oh, Stack Overflow. Oh, all good. All good, guys. All good, boys. We just got a Stack Overflow. Come on, man. Come on, man. Show me the location. Okay, well, we know it's when we remove the signal for some reason. And we try to remove signal from adjacent tiles for some reason. It, I assume... Yeah, that's... Wait, what does it say? I believe start index length. So we are trying to access something that doesn't exist? Huh? Get opposite index, get opposite index. Remove signal. I'm not sure if where it actually happens is the problem. Hmm. guess I still have to figure out a nice way to modify these wires. And also maybe have a mass remove and mass fill button. Or, you know, a way to do it. Okay, one last thing I wanna do is this shit with index out of bounds. That should be pretty simple. Not very fast, but simple. Okay, for that, we will have to check if if that shit is inbound, huh? Inbounds. Okay, let's really quick just simplify it with an integer x, which is straight up this. And the integer y is this. Alright. So in this case we have x and y. And in this case we basically only have to check if y plus 1 is less than or equal. How do I check that bound shit again? How do I build a world again? Yo, generate world, how big are you? Your world size times 2. Why did I even do that? That makes no sense at this point. Why don't I just cut that? Oop. And oop. And oop. Oop. I'm not sure if that's smart. Yeah, we don't really need that part anymore. And we go to world settings real quick and we say that size is 20. And I think we need to go here. And we need to like world size or something. Maybe it's not here. Your cursor out of bounds, world size times 2. This is what we don't need anymore. That times 2 actually made no sense, man. It's crazy. So we don't need that anymore. And I believe we also need that on main cam. Size. What is world settings dot size again? Wait, that is the world size. Oh, I'm confused. Wait. Yeah, it's... Yo, I don't know. I read that incorrectly. What I wrote there. Here we also have times 2 and times 2. We don't need all that shit anymore. World size divide by 2 is what we need here though. Oops. And divide by 2. Okay. Yeah, I was doing this thing. So if y is plus 1 is bigger than... Okay, wait. If y equals... world settings.size. Then return null. And we also need to handle null now. Just get adjacent tile. If adjacent tile equals null, then continue. Right, continue is what does continue do again? Yeah, it just continues with the next loop, right? I always forgot. C# continue. The continuing statement passes control to the next iteration of the. Yep, okay. I believe that is. I believe I understand that correctly. Right, so now we boom, 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 boom. If x is 0, if y is 0, and if x is world size. Alright, in these cases we return null. The default case is also we return null. Because now we skip it when it returns null, which is good. Alright, in that case we should be all good. Should have no problem having stuff on the corner here. Right. Wrong button. Boom, 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 boom. Object reference not set to an instant of an object. Send signal to adjacent tiles. Why? Yeah. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm a stupid ass. Alright. That was just me being me. What am I doing here? Battery. Lamp. It works. Okay. Better. Look at that. I also realized that I could probably... Oh, whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I could probably cut these two into one method and these two into one method. Maybe just call it set signal of adjacent tiles. Oh, I couldn't. I know. Wait, what? If oh yeah, I could just. Yeah, I don't know, man. Ah, well, it works the way I do it right now. And since they're right next to each other, I know what. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Now that's pretty cool. That isn't even in the logic engine. because yeah, I think that's fine. The logic engine doesn't need to handle that. Now that makes me wonder, we should do a little bit of... no, we already know that. Yeah, never mind. It's okay. Yeah, so what I was worried about is if we have like a loop or something. But that's all good. Boom, boom. No problem. Yeah. Boom. Okay. The repeater still... Huh. I'll have to... Oh yeah, I'll have to give the repeater a direction. Oh my gosh. The repeater's annoying. Because you can't, you know, you can't just give him a signal from both sides and then he... Yeah, I don't know. The signal... Yeah, the repeater needs a direction. Yeah. Fuck. Okay. Note to self. Repeater needs direction. But I think we did a lot of fucking progress, man. I mean, at the beginning of the stream, I didn't have... I had so much less. Holy shit. We did so much work here. This is hella fun, man. I don't know, I like it. Okay. So it always looks like I'm like covering myself like with a blanket or something. I'm not. This is just a pillow for my back. And so it doesn't slide down, I put it over my shoulders. Or it looks a little stupid. Cool. Yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't followed the channel, and yeah, that's penis. I haven't. Yeah, whatever. Okay. People talk. Follow the channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss my next stream. That's hopefully gonna come. I'm in a lot of stress right now because I'm starting to study at university, and also in 2 days I need to move. Yeah. And I'm probably not gonna have a PC for a while, so I might actually not be able to stream for a while. But I don't know for how long. Why the fuck is my Dropbox? I didn't tell Dropbox to boot up. Fuck you, Dropbox. Can't even... Yeah, whatever. Yeah, moving... Dude, I don't know, man. I have no one who can help me move. It kind of fucking sucks ass. But all good. Because at some point it's gonna happen. Whatever. You know how it be sometimes. And also... bureaucracy sucks ass. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Should I raid someone? I'm not sure if anyone's still here. I can't raid with only me as a viewer. So, there's no categories I'm following. If someone's still watching, you want to, you can stay here and I'll raid someone who's doing something cool. Pit Fiend Cars, I don't know what he's doing. That seems crazy. Looks like he's drawing something, or she, I don't know. Have the stream muted. Alright, sure thing, I'll shoot a raid. Start go, whatever.